Hello, welcome in the last point of the Russian Revolution. Actually, all about Russian Revolution we have studied before it. But now, in this part, we will see what were the impacts of the Russian Revolution and the formation of USSR on the global level. That is, the global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. What is USSR? USSR is the Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, the formation of different Soviets we have seen through the Russian Revolution. So it was the Soviet Socialist Republic, Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. The countries which are involved in the Republic of the Soviet Union, Russia, then Ukraine, Belarus, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Moldavia, Lithuania, Latvia, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Armenia, Turkmenia, and Estonia. These are the countries are the members of the Republic of Soviet Union. Global influence. By the 1950s, it was recognized in the country and outside that everything was not in keeping with the ideas of the Russian Revolution. Existing socialist parties in Europe did not wholly approve of the way the Bolshevik took power and kept it. We have studied how the Bolsheviks came in power and how they remain in the power. So existing socialist party in the Europe were not wholly 100% approved with the Bolsheviks way. However, the possibilities of the worker state fired people's imagination across the world. But on the other hand, it was the imagination or it was the possibility to create the state of people, state of workers. Workers government can be take place. This imagination fired in the minds of the people throughout the world. It made impact to make the state of workers, nation of the workers. In many countries communist parties were formed across the world. In many countries the communist party was formed. In India also it was formed. Like the communist party of Great Britain, the Bolshevik encouraged colonial people follow their experiment. The Bolshevik encouraged the people, those who are living in the colonies, to follow their way. What Bolsheviks followed, that same should be followed by the all. Then they can create their own state. Many non-Russian from outside the USSR participated in the Conference of the Peoples of the East, and Bolshevik founded Comintern, an international union the Bolsheviks formed. Those people who supports the Bolshevik, they were the part of this Comintern an international union. Some received education in the USSR Communist University and the workers of the East. Many people taken education through the communist universities. By the time of the outbreak of the Second World War, the USSR had given socialism a global face and world stature. By the end of the Second World War, the USSR get a different face on the global level. Though its industries and agriculture had developed and the poor were being fed, the essential freedom to its citizens was being denied. After the formation of USSR, economical development taken place in the field of industries and agriculture. But the ways to develop the industries and economics, the policies which were adopted, it were the repressive policies. It were not favorable, friendly policies to the people. Yet by the 1950, it was acknowledged with the country that the style of the government USSR was not in keeping with the ideas of Russian Revolution. The USSR was working in that way, or it was working in against of the ideas of the Russian Revolution. In the world socialist movement too, it was recognized that all was not well in the Soviet Union. A backward country had become a great power. Everything was not good in the USSR. The backward countries became the great power. Its industries and agriculture had developed and the poor were being fed, but it had denied the essential freedom, the basic needs of the citizens, freedom of the citizens, and carried out its development projects through the repressive policies. By the end of 20th century, the international reputation of USSR as a socialist country had declined. The reputation of USSR as a socialist not remain same, it declined in the course of time. Though it was recognized that socialist ideas still enjoyed respect among its people, but in each country, the ideas of socialism were rethought in a variety of different ways. The socialist ideas changed in the course of time, and every country was following the different ideas, the meanings of the socialist. What happened in Russia, it was not same followed in the remaining part of the world. So here we have seen the global influence of the Russian Revolution and the USSR. I hope you understood everything all about the socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. Now, in the next part, we are going to see the next issue, that is the Nazism, how it emerged, how it worked, that all answers we will see in the next chapter.